In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Rentry edit code. So if you forgot your edit code and you want to edit your Rentry, but you simply don't know what it is and you can't actually make any changes, here's what you can do. Now, there's really only one thing you can do, and you want to go down here to the bottom where you can see a bunch of different things, and you simply want to click on where it says what. So this is at the bottom of every site, and if you scroll down here, you'll be able to see it's going to say, forgot my edit code, what to do. So here it says you have to contact them at support@rentry.co, and then they will try to verify you as the owner, either using your email from a past claim or using the verify guide. So just email them to this email, tell them you forgot it, you can't find it, and they'll help you out. And then you can also use this verify guide over here, which is basically verifying your Rentry URL. It says that this guide is made for people to regain access to their URLs if they've forgotten their edit codes. Now, I'm not going to bother you reading this right now. You can read it for yourself, but that's basically kind of telling you how you can do this as well to help them out and kind of essentially get their help to kind of help you recover your edit code and your URL as well. Okay, so that's essentially how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.